Hi guys, this is Anna from Kaiju Bites. So I'm going to show you a room. Oh, it just opens magically. We're room 5109. Apparently 5th floor is DVC, Disney Vacation Club. So, and we're not DVC members, but yeah, so we're on the 5th floor. This is the bathroom. 2 sinks, which came in handy. It's very nice. Trash can. You always need a trash can. You got a lot of these guys. So, shower cap, vanity kit, cooling aloe gel, I guess if you're sunburnt, body lotion. What is this? Oh, the body wash. I forgot my body wash, and actually I've been using that, and it's actually quite good. Shampoo, conditioner and shampoo, and mouthwash. And of course you get soap. We did the dining plan, so we got our refillable mugs. The bathroom, I have to say, the bathroom's probably the only thing that I'm not, it's so dark. I mean, it's fine. But it is a little dark in here, but I have to say I love the shower curtain. It is pretty fun, and all the little Mickeys incorporated in the design. And the toilet, lots of stuff, and nice design. And I guess we're in the handicap accessible, as it has the bar. I have to say, I really dig the wallpaper. It's pretty fun. I really do like it. It's a fun design. You know, Chris, my fiance, has always wanted to stay here, and moving this is at the safe, which we haven't used. Unless they charge you if you lose the key. We haven't really, he always wanted to stay here, and when we pushed our dates back to January, it actually dropped the price down. So we actually got the dining plan for pretty much the same price we were paying for if we were to go like the week before Christmas. This is a little kitchen. We have a coffee machine, coffee and like all your little fixins, the Joffrey's 90 anniversary blend. I think, yeah, there's a few. And then got a fridge. It's kind of cute little setup. Then of course the beds. These beds are really comfortable, I have to say. I do enjoy them at night, especially a long hard day at the parks. And I love the mosquito screen. I like the headboards. All in all, it's a very nice room. The maid kind of put my ears on this bed. Well, I had them on the bed, so they just decorated. We did not get the Savannah room. We decided not to pay the extra money for it. And to be honest, it was a good call because we have not really been in the room very much. We have mostly been in the parks. We did see the animals a little bit when we went to Sanaa. But really, we have not been anywhere close to the animals. You know, I have to say, the animals are a big draw. I mean, this is pretty much why I wanted to book here, too. And here's we do have a balcony. When I requested... Oh, it's locked. They locked it. When I requested the room, I wanted to be as close to the main lobby as possible. That was the most important part for me personally, and they were able to accommodate that. And just the view from our balcony. It's not as fun as seeing the animals the first thing, but to be honest, how little we've been in the room for this trip, it really wasn't that big of a deal. But I mean, you know, I think if I was here longer and had a few more like peaceful resort days, I would probably splurge and get the Savannah view room. And here's the big TV. And well, that we watched like 10 minutes of. But all in all, I have to say, I really do like this resort. And I'm glad that we did pick it. I'm gonna love these beds. To be honest, I don't know if maybe it's because we've been walking around the park so much, and I'm passing out like a brick, but they are pretty comfy beds. I like the design. All in all, I really like this hotel. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, it's Anna. So I just wanted to do a little bit of recap from the room tour. So we stayed at Animal Kingdom Lodge. We were in the Jambo House. There's two sides. There's the Kidani Village, and then there's Jambo House. Jambo House houses like the main part of the facility. So in Jambo House you have the quick service, you have Chico's, you have Bulma's. I think that's it. Yeah, because Sanaa is over at Kidani. And we, Chris is always like, Chris was like, I want to stay here. Like, this was the one resort that was like on his top. I want to stay there. And, I was like, I had no problem with it either, because I've always wanted to stay at Animal Kingdom Lodge too. We've been a few times to eat at Boma's, and I definitely enjoy it. And it's a beautiful resort. They have beautiful pools. They have great food options. The Maras are quick service. They have Boma's, Chico's, Sanaa. We didn't get to go to Chico's. That's like the only one that we didn't get to go to. But all the other ones are really fantastic. And I've heard great things about Chico as well. So, you have good pools, good food. It was a beautiful resort. And of course the animals. The animals are usually like the one big selling point. And just because you don't have, like, we had a standard view room, doesn't mean you can't see the animals. We opted not to splurge this trip. I mean, well, we were splurging anyways because it was a deluxe resort. But that being said, we didn't splurge more by getting the Savannah room, which in our case actually worked out because we were very rarely in the room. We had a lot to do in this trip, so we had to just keep, we weren't in the room very often. And so it was kind of like, well, I'm kind of glad we didn't spend the extra, I think it was like $700 to get the Savannah room, the Savannah View room, because we would have like, I mean, yeah, I wake up in the morning early, I could have drank coffee and watched the animals, but I just didn't feel like it was necessary this trip. Now, if I had a longer resort trip and I had a little bit more downtime, a little bit more pool days, a little bit more relaxed time, I probably would, spend the extra money and get the Savannah View. But that being said, there are plenty of opportunities to watch the animals. You can, go, like, there's plenty. There's viewpoints. There's, there, you won't miss the animals. Like, you just walk and you can see them. So, if you're planning a trip, just keep that in mind. If you're going to be like us who are rushing, doing all the parks, going crazy, but you really do want the amenities that Animal Kingdom offers, you might just be okay with the standard view. We were fine. We enjoyed it. Their beds were comfortable. Like, I kind of want their beds now. The only thing, my only complaint about the room, well, actually I have two. Well, they're not complaints. One's a complaint, one's just like, it was really dark in the bathroom. I think it was because that lighting and like the wallpaper just was dark. So, like, not that it makes a difference. It's not like I'm bathing in the darkness, but it was just a little muted. And I'm not sure now the words, like the bed frame. I think, like, because you see the bed and then you walk around it, but then you don't realize that the bed frame is like 5 inches more around the bed. So Chris slammed his leg early one morning when he got out of bed. Then I slammed my leg twice against it because I'm just not, not paying attention, because I'm not looking down and realizing that the bed frame's jutting out a little bit more than the bed, and wham. But I mean, other than that, everything was perfect. I actually, like, I kind of like that we were so close to the lobby. It just made getting up and going easier. We had the bus stop right there. Not that we had a car, but the parking lot was right there. But it was great. I really did enjoy Animal Kingdom. And if you need any help, I am a Disney travel agent, so I can make your magical moments happen. I'll, in my About Me, I do have my contact information, but I'll put it also in the comments. So if you need any help with your Disney vacations, from start to finish, I am your gal. So with that being said, I will see you guys next time, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share it with your friends. Talk to you later. Bye.